Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also share as much as possible to the students of all standard. So let us start today's topic, that is probability. It is a branch of mathematics. It deals with the study of the chance of occurring an event or the rate of possibility of occurring an event or the degree of certainty. How much sure? What is the chance of surety of occurring an event? For example, if you write an exam, the result of the exam can be either pass or fail. But it is not sure whether it will be pass or fail. Only we can predict the result. Similarly, if you toss a coin, which will appear on the coin? Either it can be tail or head. Only we can say which, it is not sure. Either it can be head or tail. So this type of prediction and study about that comes to the topic of probability. And here some technical terms you have to learn in probability. The probability lies between 0 and 1. Means what? The degree of certainty, degree of surety. If it is 0, there is no chance. If it is 1, it is sure that will happen. Clear? So the probability lies between 0 and 1. Now, first term that you have to learn in probability, what is random experiment? Random experiment is an experiment or an activity. There will be a result for every experiment or activity. So in this, there are more than one types of result is possible. The result of the experiment or activity is called outcomes. So more than one outcome is possible. And we know all the outcomes. But we cannot say which will be the result of the outcome. For example, tossing a coin is a random experiment. Tossing a coin is random experiment. In this, which are all the possible outcomes? Either head will appear or tail will appear. So these are the two possible outcomes in this experiment. And these outcomes, all the possible outcomes are known in a random experiment, but none of them can be predicted. Such experiment or activity is known as random experiment. Random experiment. So what is random experiment in probability? An experiment whose all possible outcomes can be known, but none of them can be predicted. Here in the tossing of a coin, we know all the possible outcomes. Which are all the possible outcomes? Head and tail. And none of them can be predicted. We are not able to say which will come, whether head or tail. Such experiments are known as random experiment. Example, tossing a coin. And next, what is sample space? All the possible outcomes are called sample space, or it is written in curly bracket in the form of sets. Sets you have studied. Or sample space is the set of all possible outcomes. Sample space is the set of all possible outcomes. So in this experiment, that is tossing a coin, what is the sample space? See the set symbol in curly bracket. Which are the elements when you consider it as set? H and T. It is element of the set. But here we will say sample point. Which are sample point? The elements in the sample space. We are calling sample points, not elements. In sets we are telling elements, but here what we tell? Sample point. So which are the sample points in this experiment? H, T. Two sample points. Clear? Now, next one is event. Event is our desired outcome. If we do a random experiment, we expect a desired outcome. That is called event. So in this experiment, suppose you need head to appear, then the event A is equal to H. Suppose your wish is to appear tail, then that event B equal to T. Clear? So what is event? It is the set of, again set of the favorite outcome. Set of the favorite outcome, the desired outcome. So, what we can say this? A is an event of getting head in tossing a coin. B is an event of getting tail in tossing the coin. Clear? So what is even? It is the set of favorite outcome. Clear? Now, one more example for random experiment. Throwing a die. In die, it is a cube having 6 faces. Each face shows the numbers from 1 to 6. So if you throw a die, how many possibilities are there which will appear? From numbers 1 to 6 can appear on the die. So what is the sample space? S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sample points. All these outcomes are possible, but none of them can be predicted, which will appear. Whether it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, one at a time. Now, we will see the event. For this experiment, m equal to, see the sample points 1, 3, 5. What are they? Odd number. So m is an event that odd number appear on the die. So these 3 are possible. So m is an event that odd number appear. So 1, 3, 5. So number of sample points 3. Another event of this experiment, n equal to 2, 4, 6. N is an event that even number appear on the die. So 2, 4, 6. Suppose one more event. X is an event that prime number appear. So what will be prime numbers of this? 2 will be there, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. In this way we can list the event also. What is event? The set of desired outcomes which we desired or which we required. Now, one more experiment, random experiment, tossing 2 coins at a time. In the first experiment, only 1 coin, therefore 2 sample points, H and T. Here 2 coins tossing at a time. So you have to see both the coins which will appear. So it will be, each sample point will be in pair. Appear on first one and second one. So how we will write the sample space? See here, HT. In the first coin, H and second coin, T. HH. First coin H, second coin H. That is also possible. Third, TH. First coin T, second coin H. TT. Both the coin T. These are all the possible outcome. All the possibilities. Clear? So sample points which are there? HT, HH, TH, TT. When 2 coins are tossed. Or it also can be a coin tossed 2 times. Then also the same result. A coin tossed 2 times. This is the first appearance. This is the second appearance. Clear? So, this random experiment, you have to see the what appeared on both the coins. First coin H, second coin T. First coin H, second coin H. First coin T, second coin H. T and T. These are all the possibility, but only one will be appearing. Out of these four, only one outcome will be. So, even how you will write for this experiment? A equal to HH. So, what is A is an event such that head appears on both the coins. Now, B equal to TT. B is an event that tail appear on both the coin. Now, see another. C equal to HTH, HTHH. This event, how you will say? C is an event that the first coin appear head in the first coin. Only that is the condition. Only you have to note the first coin. What is the condition? It should be H. So these are the examples for random experiment, sample space and event. Event is defined based on certain condition according to your favorite outcome. Clear? More about random experiment, sample space and event you can learn in the next class. That is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward as much as possible to students of all standard. Have a nice day. Bye bye.